YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Okay, I gotta start off with an apology. This video was supposed to be for First Impression Friday, but as you see, it's dropping on a Saturday. Today we're going to be going over a fragrance house, a new indie house that I discovered on Instagram, man. It's called 1454 Fragrance Company. Now, I don't know too much about this company, but what I can say from their About Me page is that it started off with a vision. And this is the part that captivated me the most with this fragrance company. That vision started with marrying the finest craftsmanship with incredible ingredients and an impeccable design to create a new language in fragrances. Hey, that was enough to catch me. So with that being said, we're about to tap into it. Now, I do have 3 of their discovery sets. I have a fresh, I have a floral, and I have a oud and leather. Now the first one, I'm not gonna do all these in one video, but the first one that we're gonna go over is definitely gonna be the fresh. With it being springtime, I figured that the fresh one will be best to cover right now. So we got 3 different samples that we're gonna try. We're gonna try the blend number 1, blend number 4, and their blend number 9. And again, these are the ones that come in the fresh discovery set. So we're gonna start off with number 1, and we're gonna see what dang, hey, hold up, y'all see this atomizer? Bruh, come on, fam. The atomizer on this fragrance is legit, bruh. Hey, I'm rocking with this heavy. I'm rocking with the atomizer. Let's see what this smell going for. Okay, okay. This was very fresh, very citrusy. Almost has like a powdery nuance to it. This one smells, this might sound a little weird, but this one smells very Italian, like a Sicilian Mandarin type of thing. Like this one smells very, it has a soapy smell to it too. This is very nice, like almost fresh out of the shower. This is one of those type of scents. Daytime for sure. It just has a soapiness in the background of it. Like at first I was getting hit with a mandarin orange, some type of citrus note up top. But then very quickly it changed over to something that is soapy, somewhat waxy in a way. We're gonna let this one dry down for a little bit because I know this is an indie fragrance, so this is a little bit different. This is a little bit different. I'm gonna hold off on number 1 for a little bit and we're gonna let that one dry down. Let's check out number 4. Number 1 was okay, but we're really gonna check out number 4 and we're gonna see what this one is. Now, like I said, we got 3 of them that we're gonna go over. Bro, these atomizers are amazing though. I will say that right now. Alright, man, hey, number 4 might be on to something. Now, hold on. Number 4 might be on to something. This smells very familiar. Now, I'm gonna say that now, but let me smell it real quick. Okay, this one has pineapple for sure. Now, this one, again, going along the lines of the package that this is fresh. So this one's definitely fresh as well. Pineapple sweetness up top. A little bit of a citrus going as well. Almost smells woody somewhat, so it smells like it has like a little bit of a woody, it could have a little bit of a woody dry down. It's along those lines. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. The first thing that came to my mind when I smelled it was a Ventus. Now, this is definitely not a clone, but this could be their version of like a twist. Now, I think that this one right now, out of the 2 that I smelled, blend number 4 is gonna be the one that I think y'all gonna enjoy the most. Blend number 4, definitely. Number 4 is nice though, man. I'm rocking with number 4. Again, pineapple, some bergamot. Definitely has a little bit of a woodsy in there. I don't know if that's like some cedar or a birch, somewhere along that woody line of things. Bro, I'm rocking with number 4 heavy again. It does have a little bit of an Aventus style DNA to it. I'm not gonna call it a clone. I will say it's gonna be a twist. Again, this is just my first impression, so I don't know exactly. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm getting off top. Very nice, and so far I think that y'all will gravitate towards that one more than number 1. But we still have one more, so we're gonna spray number 9 and see what blend number 9 is sitting for. Now let's see what this one hitting on. Bro, I don't know what they using for these atomizers, fam. For goodness gracious. Hold on. Bruh, come on, man. I need to figure out what type of atomizers they using. Alright, now this one's different. This one's definitely different. This one, still getting the citrus up top for sure. But it's two things that I'm picking up in this one. I'm picking up some iris already in the opening. I'm gonna keep it a stack. That iris and that lemon combo up top, I actually enjoy. And I'm not a big fan of iris notes at all. But for it to be mixing with this lemon, I don't know what it's doing. but for some reason this iris and lemon combination is definitely doing something for me right now. Very fresh, very uplifting. This one I would say smells more mature out of all of them. Like, this is the one where blend number 9 is gonna be the type of fragrance you wear when you're going to work and then you're going home. You're gonna smell great at work, you're even gonna get a few compliments, but then you're going straight to home. This number 4 though, fam. Number 4 is really coming off as work, but then I got a happy hour that I'm going to afterwards. This definitely smells like an after work type of fragrance. Like, you're gonna enjoy yourself and you're gonna still get some projection with this. I'm liking number 4 a lot. Number 4 might be the winner out of these 3. And I will say all 3 of these are masculine. These are all gonna be masculine dominant fragrances. Now when it gets to the floral package that I have, that one I'm expecting that one to be unisex, maybe even have something for the ladies. So for my ladies that do support, I got something coming for you down the pipeline. Just give me a second, all right? But going back to these, okay, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Out of all 3 of them, blend number 1 is the one that I'm disliking the most. If you like soapy fragrances, this will work for you. This isn't something that I can see putting on myself though. This is just not the type of DNA style that I think even works with my chemistry. Going to number 4. Yeah, man. Hey, number 4 is the winner, dog. Number 4, blend number 4. Opening for sure is gonna remind you of Aventus off rip. And then going to blend number 9. Hey, I'm gonna say this right now, fam. Blend number 9 is nice too. It's unique, and that's what I like about it. It's unique. I can say this: a lot of the ingredients that I'm picking up in these fragrances, they are very rich. They have a nice smell to them. Not synthetic. Even with me spraying it from a decant, I'm not getting no synthetic, no harshness, nothing. This is a very smooth fragrance. First impression winner is gonna go to blend number 4. But that blend number 9, give me some time to spend with it. I truly think that blend number 9 might be the best one out of these 3 sets. It's something about that number 9 blend, the way the fragrance, the way the notes are mixing together, how simple it is. Because if you look at the note breakdown, I don't think it's too many fragrance notes that's in blend number 9 compared to the other 2, but it's still coming off just as nice. I am gonna have a link down in the bottom for my people that might want to check out 1454 Fragrance Company and see what they have to offer. Now when I picked mine up, they did have a free discovery set that they were sending out. All you gotta do is pay for shipping. So if I can find that same link, and if they have that same promo going, I'll have it linked down in the description for anybody that might want to pick up a discovery set and see if these fragrances are going to be nice, something that you might like. But if you trust your boy, hey, number 4 is a green bean. Number 9 is a green bean. That one might be the best one though. I'm telling you, number 9 has something in it, and that's really captivating me right now. Number 9 is very nice. Number 1, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't rocking too much with the Dove soap, man. I ain't rocking with the Marriott bar soap right now. I'm not. But number 9 and number 4 are definitely green beans. Bro, this number 9 is legit, fam. But that's gonna be my video, man. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. Do y'all like the indie house? Because I do want to start getting into some indie houses. So if that's something that y'all think y'all would like to know is check out as well, drop down in the comment section and let your boy know. But with all that being said, we back to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed. Destined for greatness. Ha! We out.